nagkakaedad, so to speak, how do you deal with relationships now? Because yung last one was very public.
For now, after the very public relationship I had with my ex, I'd rather keep quiet na lang.
Pero
And
friends
like
pa kayo ng ex? O hindi? Are you seeing someone right now?
Are you?
Ay, ayaw!
Yung tinatanong, am I seeing someone daw right
Pwede ba
now?
sagutin? Are you seeing someone right now?
No, parang I don't really want to talk about it. So balato nyo na lang sa akin. I'm turning 47. Oo, mga anak na lang pagkwentuhan natin. Ayan, nagre-react ang So, yun.
Ay nga lang makilala ka namin. You are very open.
Ate Rose, tama na yun.
Si Ate Rose yung nagtatanong. Si Ate Rose yung nagtatanong.
Wala
Hindi
ka
na ako.
lalong angle na makikita dyan.
Ako, Ate Rose.
Hindi, parang sa akin, parang hindi naman ako teenager para pag-usapan. And magulo lang magulo. So whatever I have or what I don't have, I like to keep it private na lang pagdating sa puso or personal life.
But is it just now that you found yourself na para mas interested bigla yung tao, di ba? So who you're dating, who you're seeing.
I don't understand nga kung bakit Pero balato nyo na lang sa akin.
Ito na lang siya. Pero masaya ang puso mo ngayon.
Hindi ko alam, Ate Rose, ano ba yun?
Alam mo, hindi ikaw yan.
Ate Rose, tingin.
Talaga nakakalikod siya. Pero yun.
Yeah, but yun nga, no? But right now, yun nga, laging na bring up yung name mo in terms of the dating scene and people, yung mga suitor mo right now na high profile. What do you want to tell the public about that?
Nothing. I don't owe anyone an explanation with regards to my private life. Just as long as I know that I'm doing what I can for my children and for my life. Parang, para sa akin, trabaho, pag-usapan natin, mga anak ko, pag-usapan natin. Even yung travel ng mga anak ko, kasama si Cesar recently, they went to the US for the first time. No, actually, it's not first time. First time na nung naghiwalay kami, kasama nila yung Tita Candila at si Cesar, they had a wonderful time. Yung gano'n na lang. Pero yung pagdating sa puso or personal life ko, wag na.